Hi, I'm Dr. Adams from Creekside Animal Clinic. This is my dog Charlie. Today we're going to be demonstrating for you body condition scoring, which is a great way to tell if your dog or cat is overweight or underweight, and if you need to make any adjustments to the amount of exercise or the amount of food that you're feeding. When you're doing a body condition score, you want to use your hands to feel and your eyes to see. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go through the different body condition scores, and then we're going to body condition score our volunteer Charlie here. So the first body condition score is a number 1. And if you have a body condition score of 1, you're emaciated. So those animals, you can see every bone on their body, you can see their spine, their pelvis, their ribs, they're jutting out. There's no fat or muscle covering. When you feel them, you can feel all of the bones on their body. A body condition score of 2 is considered thin. So you can still see their bones, but they do have a little bit of muscle covering. You can feel the bones still very easily. And they have what's called a pretty severe abdominal tuck, which is this, you see how Charlie's abdomen rises under here? And they have a pretty severe hourglass shape when you look at them from the top. So behind his ribs, a body condition score of 2 would tuck in really severely back here. A body condition score of 3, when you look at the animal, you still see this tuck from the side, you still see this hourglass shape from the top, but it's less severe. And when you feel them, you can feel the ribs by putting light pressure over the rib cage, but you're definitely not feeling huge bony prominences or anything like that. A body condition score of 4 would be a stout animal. So maybe you're still seeing a little bit of this tuck or a little bit of an hourglass from the top, but it's certainly not prominent. You can still feel the ribs, but you have to put a lot of pressure on the rib cage to feel those ribs because there is a lot of muscle and fat covering those ribs. A body condition score of 5 is considered obese. So instead of a nice tuck here, these animals have a saggy belly. From the top, there's no hourglass shape. They're kind of just circular from the top. You can't feel any ribs or any bones on these animals because they do have a thick muscle and fat covering. So looking at Charlie here from the side, he has a nice little tuck up here. From the top, he does come in a little bit behind his rib cage, just as he should. And when I feel his sides, I can feel his ribs just by putting some light pressure here on the sides of him. So I would give Charlie a body condition score of 3. So I think you're doing okay, Charlie, huh? If you have any questions, be sure to ask us when you're here for your appointment. We are on Facebook, so be sure to come visit us there. Again, I'm Dr. Adams, and this is my dog, Charlie.